In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're realizing further upside today. We're seeing them up now 5 out of the last 6 trading sessions. And today's price action is pushing them up to a 13.5-year high as we're looking at the futures market right around $120 right now. In the lower middle of the range for today, but elevated from a historical standpoint, and the highest levels really going back to the summer of 2008. Now, when you look at some of the driving factors, I think a lot has to do continued uncertainty around the situation in Ukraine. Couple that with now a narrative Europe and the U.S. may restrict importation or eliminate importation of Russian crude, and therefore I think that's your big driving factor today. That potential is out there, it's being discussed, and I think that that's certainly having a significant impact in the energy space, and particularly when you look at crude across the globe as far as the price action, and RBOB as well. So when you look at energy as a whole today, we are seeing, again, oil-based markets higher, natural gas actually a little lower today. But the trends, nonetheless, when you're looking at WTI pushing up here to the highest level in 13.5 years. Now, what is interesting, though, is WTI, even though it hasn't taken out the highs from 2008, RBOB did take out the highs from 2008 today. So we are seeing RBOB futures actually higher from a relative standpoint. When you look over the price action over the last 15 years, relative to WTI, RBOB is actually outpacing WTI futures now from a historical perspective.